To add multiple leads, provide an Excel sheet in the format specified in sample Excel. Each row would represent one and only one lead. And the first row is the title row. First name and the email address are the only mandatory fields. IntelliJ Import is a functionality where Assistant will try and read the Excel in your existing format to save you the hassle of converting it to the expected format. Once you provide the lead source, context, and more information, upload the Excel file. Click on Add Lead. Assistant will start validating each row, and will add the valid leads. On completion, the Assistant will notify you on email. You can look at the status by going to the Upload History page. Clicking on the Invalid Counts will give you a file with reasons for invalid ones. And clicking on the Added Count will take you the lead list of those leads added from that specific Excel file.